So today we're going to be talking all things makeup, specifically my favourite makeup products. 2024 kind of going into 25. This is my overall favourite products that I go to all the time, or brands or items that you just really need to know about. I'm just going to start off strong. This brand here, Cosmic Brushes. I have recently just discovered this brand. I love just sitting watching people swatching, doing their makeup and stuff, and the girl, I think her name was Sway, who was behind the brand just doing her makeup and stuff, really convinced me to try this palette, and I am so glad that she did, because oh my god, I am absolutely obsessed. I need all of them. Honestly, I have never played about a palette as much as I've played about with this palette. Like, I've used every single row of this palette and I am obsessed. As the 'Tis the Season palette. It is a limited edition palette, so that is a bit annoying, because once it sells out, I don't think they're getting it back unless they're going to bring it back in the winter time. I'm not too sure. It's stunning. All the mattes are so like, oh, they're just velvety smooth, super pigmented, and then you've got all your shimmers and stuff that are just absolutely like incredible. Honestly guys, I can't rave about this brand enough. I have absolutely fell in love with the eyeshadow formula, the colours, every single thing. Like, this is what has got my juices flowing again for makeup, and I created this look as well actually with this eyeshadow palette. So what I'll do is I'll link it up here. If you don't own any eyeshadow palettes from Cosmic Brushes, then you need to, honestly, like, jump on it now. Even if it's a sale, grab it then. Super excited about this, absolute favourite of mine. I've been using it constantly just now and I absolutely love it. I'm just going to mention another couple of brands and stuff that I use all the time. You guys will know this because I use them in my tutorials, or you guys will have seen it. The next brand I'm going to talk about is Fyne Beauty. This is actually P. Louise's brother, and this eyeshadow palette is the Deep Dark palette. You can grab this like in a mystery bundle and stuff. Again guys, I'm finding all the makeup on TikTok shop because I'm on TikTok a lot more than like I'm on Instagram. So that's where I'm finding all my favourites at the moment. Here is a little sneak peek of what that palette looks like. Absolutely fantastic. Massive variety of colours. Again guys, super pigmented. You barely even have to touch these, and like, the pigment is just absolutely incredible. Honestly, you will not be disappointed with one of these or the others, because it's a medium and there's a light one as well. The light one is a little bit like, a lot light, if I'm going to be honest. Like, it's just, there's a lot of just light colours in it. So I don't really recommend the light one unless you don't really play about with colour and you just like a lot of neutral kind of shades. But that dark palette and the medium palette is absolutely beautiful and I absolutely love it. So I've been using that a lot. If you maybe don't want to splurge out on the bigger palettes, they do also do the little small ones as well. So this one here is beautifully bronzed, and if you're into just like taking a little eyeshadow palette away with you travelling or wherever it is, if you're just maybe going to work to a night out, these are absolutely fantastic for that, because you can just pop it in your bag. You've got all light to dark, you've got shimmers in there as well. You could do a nice day to night time look with these, and these ones are a lot more affordable. Again, I found them on TikTok shop. They tend to do all the deals and stuff on there. So there's these ones as well. As well as that, in the newer mystery bundles that they were doing, they've also got these little compacts as well. So this one, I actually can't remember the name of it. I don't know if it's on the back of it. It's not on the back of it either. Unsure of the name of this one, but it was in the newer mystery bundles, and that is what this one looks like. So again, these ones are a little bit bigger. You could use these for eyes and this for your cheeks and stuff, or you could just use it all for eyes or whatever. To be fair, they're multi-purpose, great pigmentation, great variety of shades, good for the money. Honestly, grab it when it's on sale. Honestly, highly recommend it. That is the eyeshadows that I've been using a lot. You guys will see this featured a lot because I'm currently reviewing this and doing all separate eye looks. Definitely check out the pinned video because I have been creating loads of different looks with that eyeshadow palette. She also has a gothic one as well, which is really nice as well. While we're on the topic of Fine Cosmetics, their setting spray is really nice as well. This is really good if you maybe feel like you've got a lot of powder on your face. Just spray this all over your face. It smells absolutely lovely, honestly. Design is really nice and sleek. The little mister, don't know if you guys can see that, but the little mister is really nice. Really nice setting spray. It makes your makeup feel like it's going to stay put. It doesn't leave all the kind of blotchy spots and stuff on your face either. So yeah, that is the Fine Flawless setting spray. I've also been loving their little primer as well. I've been using that quite a lot recently, and this is really nice. Again, the top bit locks so that it's not like going to spill everywhere. Smells really nice. It's not really highly scented, but it is scented a little bit, and when you put this on, your skin just feels absolutely flawless. So that is two products that I've been really loving from them. Moving on to lashes, you guys will notice that I tend to kind of use the same kind of lashes in my looks, because if I really like a style, I'm going to wear it quite a lot. I tend to do that. Sometimes I'll change it up and stuff, but if I really like a brand, then I'm going to use it quite a lot. Recently I've been using the Lillywhite Cosmetics lashes. This one is in the shade, I want to say New York. I'm not sure, I've lost the little sticker for it, but these are absolutely stunning. I've used them quite a few times already, but you can get up to like 20 uses out of these. They are fantastic. Again, guys, I found them on TikTok shop, but honestly, you need to check them out because they're amazing. This is in the style Paris. Again, yeah, definitely go and check them out because her lashes are absolutely fantastic. I'm always getting questions on what lashes I'm using or what I'm wearing or whatever in my looks. So that is basically the lashes that I'm using. Today I'm using a set of lashes, I think it's from Louise. I am not a huge fan of them because the band's really dark and it's making it look like it's sticking up here, but it's actually not. So yeah, I don't know. So that is the lash brand that I've been absolutely loving. A lot of people keep on asking what eyeliners it is I'm using when I'm doing like the colourful looks and stuff. It's these eyeliners. Now, I think I've spoken about these before. These are the, I don't know, Kamadou liners from TikTok shop again. These are a eyeliner pencil. They're really silky. They're really smooth. You can sharpen them. Yeah, they're just really good pigmentation. And if I'm honest, I think they were about £3 or £4 for all 12 of them. So they have been an absolute godsend just now, to be fair, because you've got every single colour that you want. Every look that I've done so far, I've used a shade. Today I'm wearing the white in my waterline. Yeah, I just absolutely love them. I think they're a bargain, to be fair. They haven't irritated my eyes or anything. The two foundations that I'm going to talk about today are foundations that I use all the time and I absolutely rave about. The Rimmel Last and Finish foundation. You guys will see this featured a lot across my channel. Like, I use this all the time. I absolutely love it. This one is the one with the Hydration Boost Hyaluronic Acids. It's in the shade True Ivory. I absolutely love this foundation. It's just the perfect kind of everyday foundation. It's buildable though, so it can be like full coverage as well. It gives you that kind of full coverage, but it's lightweight. You don't feel like it's really cakey on the skin. And yeah, I just absolutely love it. I don't know, I use it all the time. Always loved this foundation, to be fair. So yeah, that's an absolute, that's 10/10 for me. Another foundation that I want to talk about that I feel like doesn't get enough hype because not really many people talk about it. I think when it first came out it was all the hype and stuff, but I actually still really love this and I'm definitely going to grab a couple of lighter shades because this one's a little bit on the yellow side for me. But this is the Dollie Cosmetics Bonnie Blur foundation and just look at that packaging for a start. Like, come on. Absolutely beautiful. This one is in the shade BB14. This is the most full coverage foundation you will ever find. Honestly, I don't think I've found a fuller coverage foundation. This is for your full coverage girlies that want that full beat. If you want everything covered, that is going to do it. It is absolutely flawless. She's got a great shade range as well in it. And yeah, like when I first bought it, I think it was it £24 or something like that. But again, she's another one that does she does sales and stuff on TikTok, so sometimes you'll catch it in a sale when it's even cheaper. Sometimes like she's just got little discounts on as well. So yeah, absolutely fantastic foundation. This is absolutely incredible. Honestly, if you want to look like a filter, then try this foundation. Like, if you're not into that full beat coverage, then it's not for you because it is really thick. What I will say is if you have drier skin, definitely make sure that you're wearing a lot of moisturiser with this because it will enhance dry patches and stuff if you have got a drier kind of complexion. I'm absolutely loving the foundations just now. This one for the kind of natural, more kind of dewy look, and this one for the more full coverage, want to look absolutely flawless days. Yeah, definitely. I'm going to move on to my favourite concealers. So the Fyne concealer, absolutely love it. There's loads and loads of shades of this. Again, really affordable, flawless. It's really full coverage. And yeah, it's really good. I don't really know what else to say about it. I've been using this for a couple of years now, to be fair, and I absolutely love it. I do know they've reformulated the packaging, not the actually not the actual formula. Like they've made the packaging a lot more easier and it's more of a light tube. So, but I absolutely love this. It's absolutely flawless. A more affordable, kind of cheaper version is the Lily Duro concealer. Now looking at this you might think it looks like something else. This concealer came to me by shock actually. Because I've seen it everywhere and I was like, oh, I'm never going to try that. And then the brand actually reached out to me and let me try it. Once I tried it, I was like, oh my god, I would never ever have thought to like even bother with that brand or even like try that, because it just looked like a dupe of something else. But when I actually tried this, it's absolutely fantastic, honestly. So full coverage, flawless, super affordable, and they don't have as many shades though as like your average brand would have, but there's still a shade for kind of everyone. There's a light, medium and a dark, still kind of use it. So mine is in shade light 2. I use this all the time just because it's cheap, therefore affordable, and it covers everything that I want to get covered. It's absolutely fantastic. So if you're looking for a really affordable, cheap alternative, the Lily Duro concealer is my absolute go-to just now. You've probably seen me using it a lot in my videos. So yeah, so just a wee shout out to Pale Louise Base, because why not? Like, it's just iconic, it's brilliant, fantastic. Need I say more? A lip gloss that I've been using a lot recently, you guys will see that I'm always using my Pout Bomb. It's just a bit done, so I'm quite sad about that. I have moved on to the Dollie Beauty She's Nude Lip Gloss in the shade FOMO. I've been wearing that. I'm wearing that today. I've been wearing that quite a lot. Absolutely love it. Also, Unicorn Cosmetics little lip oils. They look like this. These are absolutely fantastic. They're super hydrating. They're super tasty. Really, really nice little wand. Love the packaging. Really, really compact. Really, really cute. Smells divine, honestly. I need to get some more of these because I use them all the time. Like, I'm literally just put it on just whenever and whenever, really. But always before my makeup, I always put this on. So this is my favourite little lip oil product at the moment. There probably is a lot more, but I don't want to ramble on too much in this video. But that is basically my favourite makeup products from 2024 going into 25. Now, 2025, I am expecting a lot from 2025. I cannot wait to try loads of new makeup brands. I can't wait to test out loads of new products. Plan on actually going makeup shopping maybe next week. So I'll maybe take these on a wee journey or do like a couple of TikToks and stuff with me and like Superdrug and Boots and stuff, just buying some new stuff. I'm really, really needing a lot of new stuff because I've gave away a lot of stuff. I've binned a lot of stuff. I've also gave a lot of stuff on Vinted and stuff just because I had so much that I wasn't using and didn't need. And I'm just really excited to try some new brands. So yeah, that is my favourites. Tell me what your favourites are. Tell me if you've tried any of these brands and what you think of it. Do you like the stuff that I've shown? Do you not like the stuff? What's your opinion on it? So yeah, so I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned for more. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, comment, all the usual jazz, guys. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.